Hey you guys, welcome back. Today we're doing another workout video. We're gonna be using resistance bands. I will definitely say resistance bands are personally my favorite. Sorry, I live on a main street, but they're personally my favorite. I feel like they definitely do better at controlling, you know, your muscle movements. So we're gonna do a full body workout. I'm actually pretty good at these. I've been doing these for a while, so like the other ones, those are like beginner like practices for me because I don't really use weights that much, but I do use resistance bands. So definitely want to be controlled with your movement and just, you know, continuously go at your own pace. If you want the resistance bands that I have, which I definitely recommend for women that are like me, like body shape and, you know, don't do too much exercise, but they have different weights of resistance bands, like or resistance, not weights, but they have different pounds, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but it's on my storefront. So yes, you can take a look in the link under workout essentials. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. This workout takes about like 20 minutes. Not just 20, maybe about 30. The workout can take you anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how fast you move. So let's get started.
Congratulations, Link. Congratulations, Link. Congratulations, Link. Congratulations, Link.
Take a little intermission to set up for the next one. The next one we're gonna do is a
Congratulations, Link.
door attachment workout. We're gonna be doing legs and core, and we'll keep glutes as well. So.
Congratulations, Link. Congratulations, Link. Congratulations, Link. Congratulations, Link. Congratulations, Link.
Alright, y'all, we have completed the workout. I hope that, I know the lighting was really bad. The lighting was just not like the best towards the end of it, so I do apologize for that. However, I did break a little sweat. It definitely is controlling and toning these muscles, okay? So if you definitely implement this into your daily routine, like 4 to 5 times a week, you will definitely see results. Just consistency is everything with anything that you do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's workout video. I do have more fitness videos on my channel, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. Also, I have a lot of lifestyle content as well, so I don't know why I'm talking to y'all like y'all are my friends, but anyway, I do have a lot of other lifestyle content for you guys to go check out, so make sure you do that. And I hope you guys have a happy Sunday. I do plan on posting this on Sunday, so babe, that's your car. Yeah. So yeah, without further ado, you guys stay healthy and stay fit, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
The sun is shining, it's a new